Yo. Yeah. Yeah.
It's a Batman video.
Yeah. Shabon every night. Yeah, yeah. It's yeah. So I walk hard on a Monday.
Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be trying the puzzle part braid. So if you want to see and know how I achieve this awesome hairstyle right here, please keep watching. So to start right here, I'm cutting the hair into two, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and pull on the ends. And next I'm going to need to brush it. So in this video I used two color of hair. I used the color Big G and color 30. So the color Big G is on the back and the color 30 I put it on the front section. So for this hairstyle I used 3.5 pack of X-pression braided hair, 1.5 pack of the color Big G, and 2 pack of the color 30. And also for the color in this video, you don't have to use the same hair color I use in this video. You can use any hair color you want. So in order to achieve the puzzle part braid, so on this very first session I start by making a zigzag line, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and separate that into two. So right here I'm separating the hair into two. So I start by curving in into the onto the section and then curve it out, so that will help to maintain the shape I'm going for throughout the whole head. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this. So I'm done separating the hair. So right now I'm going in with the rubber band and just wrapping it around the hair. And after that I'm gonna go ahead and split it into two. That will make it easier for me to grab the hair and do the buzz braid. So I've already did the first session. So right here I'm working on the second session. On the first session I have only 2 buzz braid, and on this second session right here I have 3 buzz braid. And also for the color I only use the color Big G on the first and the second session. So on the third session and the fourth session is gonna be the color 30.
Pick up on a Tuesday, see me girl on a Wednesday, studio on a Thursday, link up on a Friday, clean up on a Saturday, I give thanks on a Sunday.
So this is the clear view on the of the second session. So you can see right there I just like curve it in and it curve it out, so that will really give you the pattern. So as always you want to braid all the way to the tip, and so once you get to the tip of the hair you want to go ahead and twist it together, so that will help to give like a really nice finish and add like a really nice touch to the hair. So on this first session right here, I'm going ahead to do 2 cornrows on both sides. If you don't like the idea of the cornrows on the side of the hair, you can definitely skip it and move ahead and continue doing the buzz braid. But for me, I want to be able to put the hair into a ponytail and still also have something on the front going on. So that's the reason why I'm doing the cornrows. So with that said, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the video.
Yeah. Now they come here, so then they say you knock me through. Boy, you know I don't do move. I'm on gay, you make me my. I me, give me banana. I'm on gay, correct. I'm on gay, correct. Me and you just a connect.
So right now I'm working on the third row, and on this third row I have 6 of the buzz braid. So I'm just doing the same tip braid all the way to the tip of the hair and then twist it to get the thin finish. So this is the last buzz braid for this hairstyle. I'm just wrapping the rubber band around it, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and split the hair into 2. And after that I'm gonna grab the extension and do the last buzz braid. So on this last row, which is the fourth row, I did the 5 boss braid, and I did like this is the I kind of frame it to go for middle part, so I have 2 boss braid on both sides and 1 at the back. So, and also for the whole entire head, I have a total of 16 jumbo boss braids.
Mamacita, 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 ya sabes la vida loca, la vida loca, ya sabes la vida loca, la vida loca, mamacita.
So to finish off this whole look, I'm going ahead to dip the hair into hot water. So right there, I'm just dipping only the tip into the hot water, and after that I'm going in with the towel and just dry out the excess water. So now that is done, I'm just gonna let it air dry while I do my makeup. So here is the finished result of the jumbo braids.
Mamacita, 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 ya sabes la vida loca, la vida loca, ya sabes la vida loca, la vida loca, mamacita.
Thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and also if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos.